Hi guys, in the next couple of weeks, Litmor customer support team will release a series of video tutorials to help you better understand and use your Litmor app. These video tutorials are going to focus on three major parts, including application homepage, device page, and device setting page. Let's get started from application homepage. Launch the application. On homepage, you can watch live video of all your devices. Select one device and then click Watch Live. It will start streaming live view. When playing the live view, click the Extend button in the corner. You will enter the landscape live streaming mode. Every time when you watch the live view from the homepage and device page, the default play time is 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you will need to click the pop-up Continue button if you want to carry on watching. If this is bothering you, you can remove this restriction in Device Setting menu. The Setting menu is accessible from homepage. We will cover this shortly in this video. If you have multiple devices on homepage, click on Device. It will pop up on top of the homepage. Then click Watch Live to see the live stream. From homepage, you can also navigate to many other functions. Let's go through them one by one. If you choose one of your devices on homepage, click on the Check Event button. It will lead you to the device page. From the device page, you can check all the history events that are related to the device, watch live view, and do lots of other operations. We will dig into the device page in the next tutorial. Now, let's move on. At the bottom of the live video frame, there are some descriptions and icons. From left to right, this description and icons represent device name, network connection status, remaining battery level, whether the microSD card is used, and a button that leads you to the device setting menu. Each device has a separated device setting menu. Beneath that, there is a yellow cross button. Click on this button, you will initiate device setup process. Currently, Litmor has two products, Litmor Capsule Floodlight Camera and Litmor Battery Cam. Learn how to set up Litmor Battery Cam, please visit the website below. At the bottom of the homepage, it is Debrief. Click on the arrow, the Debrief page will be popping up. Debrief is Litmor's exclusive feature. It summarizes the daily security statistics and application usage information. You will know the total motion number that has been detected on that very day. However, undefined motions will not be included. You can also learn about the motion numbers in different time slots and understand the overall motion trend in a day. If you want to see the motion numbers and trend of a single device that monitors a specific area of your home, you can select it from the device list beneath the chart. After you subscribe Litmor Plus Smart Detection Services, you will be able to see different event types, including person, family. Family detection is only available for Litmor Capsule Floodlight Camera, and you will also see about animal and vehicle. Keep moving downwards, there are numbers represent the usage of the application. Now, let's slide down and go back to the home page. On the home page, click on Menu button in top of the left corner. The application General Setting menu will pop up. From there, you can set account photo, nickname, and reset the password. To do that, click on Account Photo, then start editing. You can also find your user ID on this page. Click on the Scanning button in the top right corner. You will enter QR code scanning page. You will need this function once someone is going to share a device with you via QR code that generate in the device sharing setting menu. Detail about device sharing will be covered in the future tutorial. Back to the general setting menu, you can set application language. There are 4 language options including French, German, English, and Chinese. You can also check the system message, check application version, and log out your account. You can also get contact information about Litmor support team. Click Support. You will see our support email, support@litmor.com. Please send us your user ID along with your question. It will be helpful for us to identify the issue for you. Back to the home page. Click on the clock icon on the top right corner. You are entering the history video list. On this page, you can find history videos from different devices. Click on any video from the list. You can mark it, share it to your Facebook and Twitter, download it to your phone gallery, and delete it if necessary. You can also sort your history videos based on the date and many other preferences. Click on the filter button. From this page, you can get your video sorted with more options including video location, device name, detection type, and mark status. Back to home page, it comes to the last function you can set from home page. Click on the active button and then click on silent button. You can then snooze all your devices. After that, you will not get any notification before you activate it again, but all the motions will still be recorded and saved in the video list. This function has higher priority than device alert scheduling. We will cover alert scheduling in the future tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.